Here in this movie, we're going to be opening Microsoft Excel in variety of ways. And the first step in opening this software is by going to the Start button, click on it, then go to the program list, use this vertical scroll bar, drag it all the way down till you get to Excel. Provided you have the software installed in your system, this is how to get to it. Then sure enough, I've got Excel right here. I'm going to click on it and that should open the software for me, and then showing me the home screen, which also reads good afternoon. By the way, I'm recording this video in the afternoon. Now that is one way to open the software, by the way, and for some reason I just want to close it for now, and I'll do so by going to the upper right corner, then clicking on this close button right down here, which also has X in it. It's for close. Another way to open the software is if you happen to have it on the taskbar, then move your mouse pointer to it like I have in my case here, then click on Excel right here. This time you just have to click it once and it's going to open it down for you. That is another way to open it. Then let me close it back. And then the third way is to run the software. So I'm going to run it by opening the Run dialog box, which I can also get to by pressing Windows R on the PC, then type in Excel. But in my case, I already have it because I tried it earlier. And once you are done with that, press the Enter key on the keyboard and still you get to the same point. Alright, let me close it. Now another way to open the software is if you have an existing Excel file in the computer environment, then you can move to that file, then double click on the file or right click and then open with, then choose Excel right down there. And as you may recall from our previous videos, we created a folder on a desktop environment called main folder. Now double click to open that folder, and then inside that folder we have subfolders: Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and then Word. Well, open the Excel folder. Then you come about the Excel file called Introduction. But then the big question here is, how do you know that this file belongs to Excel and Excel is responsible for this, or Excel can open this? Now, each file in the computer system is actually identified by its file extension. The extension of the file tells the computer which program to open that particular file. By default, when you're using Windows 10, the file extensions are hidden. And to bring the extensions out, you have to go here, double click on the Home tab. That is one way to work. Or better still, you can go to the upper right corner, then click on this little ribbon display option here. Then you can actually turn it on or off like that. Then at this point, since what we have to do over here has to do with view, we have to go to the View tab. Then notice I've got a group here called Show/Hide. Then this time, what I want to show here is file name extensions. So have a look at it. It says show or hide a set of characters added to the end of that of files that identifies the file type or format. Click to turn it on, and then sure enough, you notice that you have introduction.xlsx. So xlsx ending a file means that you have to use Microsoft Excel to open that particular file. And when we get to other softwares, I'll be pointing to you programs to open those files as well. So now, to open this guy right here, all I need to do is to double click on it. And once I double click on it, it will open it and then creating an Excel workbook for me straight ahead. And here is the interface.